But how? You didn't, none of these other niggas be streaming?
Shut up.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Kai, like from an artist standpoint, so you know what? I like what you just said because you accepted me as a streamer, even though I'm the little homie. You accepted me as a streamer. That's great. I can't believe this.
I'm not seeing you from an artist's eyes.
You're not seeing me from an artist's side. The nigga seeing me from the stream, my nigga. God, nigga, he said I'm a streamer. Okay, yeah, no, I gotta get my numbers up, bro, before I could even get invited to that kind of, to be brought up to that table, and I respect that.
Listen, Ray J. Listen, Ray J. It ain't about getting your numbers up. I'm just trying to see if you really committed to this shit.
Wow. Damn, bro.
We not gonna be doing no sleepovers and shit. You might just pull up to the crib. You feel me?
All right.
You
So,
gonna be doing stream, nigga.
okay, that's cool, but no sleepovers.